Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I have a new bike phone mount to unbox and to show you how it looks on the real bicycle. It's a kind of a new design, as you can see on the box, by Zuslab. I'm not sure if I pronounced right, but it's adjustable freely 360 degree. Should be very convenient, great stability, and it can fit up to a really big phone, 6.7 inches, so it's should be a huge phone. And here's how you use this. It's basically unique, a little bit unique, because over here is this button. Once you push this one, two tools, okay, it will open up. And when you put your phone in, it will press this button and it will close it. So let me show you how it works actually with the phone. I have a big phone over here. It's an iPhone Pro Max 13, so it's a huge phone. So I'll just slide it in, I guess, because it's a big phone, and push it. You'll close it, and then you take rubber on one side and rubber on another side, and it will stay in place. And then you can tighten up on the back, depending on the angle you want to use on your bicycle. It can be adjusted to the smaller phone on the back. This piece can be, the rubber can be moved, removable, put it this level, so depend on the size of the phone. So it can fit a really small phone, and this holder can fit easily 4.6 to 6.7 phone, so inches. So it should be a really small phone or large phone. Any phone can fit this kind of mount, which is cool. So I'm gonna attach it to this bicycle, Mi Bike, to handlebar. Most likely over here I'll post it so you can see it. It should be very easy, and I'll show you how to attach it. Okay, so I will move it to the side. Over here you just open up, so you take this and push it. You need to pull it out and insert this handlebar, and then you just take this knob, squeeze it a bit, actually open up more, squeeze it and insert it. Now you can tighten up. So it's pretty simple. In order to insert the phone, you just push these two tools from the both sides like this. It will open up these two holders. You take your phone. You can push it actually more. Just insert it, release it, and push it. It will lock it in. Then you just take this rubber, put it on top of it, and stay right there. You just need to tighten up very well, and it can be easily moved. You just release over here on the knob on the back, and you can move it any direction. And you can attach it to any side of your handlebar, depending on where you have more space or your preference, but that's how it will look, and that's how you're gonna look from the other side. You can tighten up this knob over here once you decide which position you want, and also to tighten up this knob as well on the bottom. And it looks pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.